Hey everybody, Adam with Front Range Storm Contractors. Just doing kind of a medium-sized repair on this roof. I'm going to take off, there's 4 sides to it. I'm taking off half of one of the sides. But I wanted to show you how to remove the shingles that are right next to the ones you don't want to remove, so that you don't damage those shingles that you want to keep in place, okay? So we'll turn this around. So all these shingles that I've marked with the chalk are the ones that I'm going to be removing, and as you can see, I've gotten started up there a little bit. But I got to this one right here that I want to remove, but I don't want to remove this one or any of the other ones above there, right? So first thing you want to do, which I've already done, is you want to come to a corner, preferably the one away from, oops, can't see anything, preferably the one away from the rest of the shingles, and you want to start to break the seal. See this really dark strip right here? That's a tar strip, and that's the natural sealant that comes on the shingles. So you just want to break that. So you start at the corner here with your pry bar, get that lifted up, and then you kind of work your way over in this kind of a manner over to the next one and the next one, all the way on down until you get that third tab broken, okay? They're called 3 tabs because each shingle is 1, 2, 3 tabs, right? So once you get that seal broken and you can lift each of them up, next thing you want to do is, see, this is the shingle right here that I want to remove, okay? And it goes all the way up to there. And right there is a nail hole where the nail's already been removed. There's another one right there. There should be another one right about there. Another one right about there. So on either side, these are called keyways. On either side of the keyway, there should be a nail, okay? That goes through this shingle and into this shingle. And since I want to remove this one, I actually have to pull up those nails. So what you want to do next, after you break this seal here, you want to take your pry bar and pull up that shingle, all the nails that are underneath it, okay? It might actually pull the nail through that way, which happened on that one, and that'll be all right. You'll fix that later. Or what might happen is like on this one, you actually pull the nail up, okay? So put that over there. So I've done that already. I've broken the seal here, and I've pulled out all the nails along this row here so that I can pull this shingle out, okay? So then you just keep going down. I actually want to remove all of these, so, but for the sake of this video, I'll just show you. I'm going to break the seal here. Okay, and the nail there, and then nails here, here, all the way down. So now I should be able to just pull this shingle out, okay? So now I've removed an entire shingle. And then you can go back later and install the shingle, which will be for another video. All right, have a good one, everybody.